Go to the Navigator menu item, select the mini terminal and drag it onto the Euro-Dollar chart area. Once enabled, you can set the one-click trade parameters, including position size, stop loss, take profit and trailing stops. If left unchanged, the default settings will apply. However, you can amend these using the arrows, or by manually entering the number into each field. You can also add trade confirmations. Click on the hammer symbol, go to Settings, and tick the required field. Now to open a position using the one-click trading option, simply click on either the bid or ask price, depending on the order you'd like to place. And as you can see, the new trade is displayed in the trade terminal below. With each click, a new position is entered, like this. The mini terminal also has a monitoring device, which will be green if you're net long or red if you're net short. For example, if you're short 2 lots Euro-Dollar and long 1 lot Euro-Dollar, it will display 1 in red. And if you're square, it'll display a 0. We can also close all of our open positions with one click. Right-click on the net number in the top right-hand corner, and as you can see, all the positions will be closed.